Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do another CORTIS reaction video, guys. Yes, today we're gonna check out their music video for that track JoyRide, and I'm guessing they have filmed every music like I guess they have filmed for their every track on the EP with like with a music video. So like there is a music video for every track from the EP of CORTIS debut EP. So like I'm not complaining though, right? I'm not complaining though, and I'm really excited to check out this music video and the song as well. So without wasting any more time, let's go check it out. So I put up my headphone, let me bring it up to the full screen. Alright, ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, the background looks like the astronaut music video by JM.
All day, we're tryna flip it much Fridays. Pancakes, bloodshot eyes tonight. 도망가 여길 벗어나. Cause ooh.
So it's all going the backwards. I really like that.
진짜 나의 맘 달려보. 정기라 걸어채워. 얼른 밟아 그대로. 이 자리를 떠지는 집어줘. Cause we're on a JoyRide. 더 세게 speed it up. 지금 기분 so high. Driving so fast. 가로질러긴 on day to night. Right. We're on a JoyRide.
But there's something really
We're on a JoyRide. We're on a JoyRide. Driving so fast. 가로질러긴 on day to night. Right. We're on a JoyRide.
범생인 나의 past tense 사견직 뭐가지 뒤로 came back 인생이 폭풍이면 난내 drip 아래 drop rain dance
종일 꼈었지 폭주는 내 personality.
MJ ever since 23 rap stakes 담을 넘었지
Cause ooh 우리는 꿈꿔와 지칠 나의 밤 달려 트렁크에 골라채워 얼른 밟아 그대로 이 자리를 떠지던 집어줘 Cause we on a JoyRide 더 세게 speed it up 지금 기분 so high Driving so fast 가로질러 긴 밤 day to night Right we on a JoyRide Yeah we're on a JoyRide Yeah we're on a JoyRide Driving so fast 가로질러 긴 밤 day to night Right we're on a JoyRide
that sounded so beautiful. So that was JoyRide by CORTIS and it sounded so beautiful. I really love it. And the way all the members sounded, including the rap verse, I really liked that, like how harmonized it was. It didn't feel odd at all, and their beautiful vocals were highlighted with like in this track with minimal instruments. So like I really like that. And also the way the music video was filmed, like it showed all the things in the backward. So like it is an amazing concept. I really like that and I really enjoyed it as well. I don't know why it went really well with the song itself. So like I mean, the director knew what he was doing. Like, it was really, really, really good. And at the beginning of the music video, the beginning scene, the beginning shot, it felt like the astronaut music video show from by Jane. So there was a similar kind of backdrop there. So yeah, it reminded me, oh yeah, they are part of Big Hit. So it was really, really, really beautiful. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please go thumbs up, do share, do comment, please subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want to connect with me more, you guys can check out my social media accounts, Instagram, Twitter and TikTok. Those are linked in the description. And I'll see you next video. Bye.